Hey, hello. Well, here's my addition over here of these PRP bags. I'm not too crazy about this velcro over here not sticking to the back. I don't know if you can see it well. They kind of fit a little bit at an angle. This seems to be pretty well made, although they're lighter than what I was expecting. You see this top part over here? So for now, I have this one sitting over here in the sun, even though it's 62 degrees outside. So what I'm saying is, I thought the velcro will go nicely over here, but it doesn't, because it goes like this, and then sticks up a little over here, and they go some push pins over here, another one down here, the other one here, and the other one here. This is what I'm working with, this guys. So we'll see how that goes on this side. I'm cleaning it up with alcohol just to make sure that it sticks the whole area. So we'll see. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. That's that area, little ledge. This is how they sit. See, here's there's a hole. Oh, with this taps, they go over here, and you see how that thing sits. So little video that they have on YouTube, they place that velcro first, and then they start from the front, taps to the back. But then there's no way, it's even harder to see where it's gonna land. So I decided to attach the front ones, and now I'm gonna try to stick it. All right, so it kind of did help a little bit to put it on the sun and make it a little bit softer. They look nice. I like them. We'll see how long that velcro will last. I might go to the other side and kind of put some silicone glue on it. Thank you very much.